help you God?
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
With that, the nation welcomes a new commander-in-chief. The change coming as Florida continues to battle a deadly pandemic. It's 4.3 million seniors desperate to vaccinate against it.
We're going to be in fine shape.
Emergency Management Director Jared Moskowitz foreseeing a smooth transition, certain President Joe Biden won't play favorites as dose distribution becomes a major challenge.
I don't think he's going to be using the vaccine to, reward friends and punish enemies. That's not going to happen. We've had that for 4 years, quite frankly.
For weeks, Florida has struggled with limited vaccine supply and lack of transparency from the federal government. Officials only getting 6 days' notice on weekly shipments, which have hovered around 250,000 for the state's more than 20 million residents. Biden has promised more openness and supply, which medical experts say is needed.
I think that is absolutely critical right now.
Epidemiologist Mary Jo Trepka, hopeful the new president delivers, saying America has the power, it just needs the will.
We have lots of resources. There's no reason why we can't do a massive vaccination campaign and do it really well.
But Florida's governor, a close ally of the former president, has concerns about Biden's plans to boost distribution.
Trying to change radically in the middle of this, I think, could be potentially problematic.
DeSantis saying Tuesday he's opposed to opening federal vaccine clinics, something the president wants.
Are you going to divert vaccine away from my efforts and the efforts here, where we're doing 70, 80,000 people a day?
Some pandemic researchers also worry the new administration will eliminate a Health and Human Services hospital capacity tracker established by Trump. The CDC is trying to absorb the responsibility, believing it could do better.
No data set is perfect, but it's supplying us with really reliable information.
Professor Jason Salemi says it took a while to get the government to publish the details, and he'd hate to lose time to a rebuilt alternative.
Dismantling and trying to start it from scratch at a time when we've got so many cases still in the United States and we've got the vaccine under development and we're trying to track so many things, I think would just be a major setback.
What comes next will be up to Biden, who's promising policy changes on day one. Time will tell what happens after.